Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making both devices discoverable. On the PC, open Bluetooth settings and keep that screen visible so you can confirm pairing prompts. On the DualSense, hold the PS button and Create button together for 5 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. That puts the controller in pairing mode. Once done, the controller appears as Wireless Controller in Windows. Click it to pair, and make sure Windows reports a successful connection before moving forward. After pairing, Windows often installs drivers automatically. Let that finish and check Device Manager for any warnings. If you want full button mapping and gyro support, install Steam, enable PlayStation configuration support, or DS4 Windows. Steam handles it natively for many titles, while DS4 Windows exposes more settings. Once software is installed, test buttons in its controller tester, calibrate dead zones, and assign profiles. Make sure to set the controller as the preferred input in the game or Steam Big Picture, so inputs route correctly. Finish by launching a game and verifying vibration, analog movement, and trigger sensitivity. If something's off, remove the controller from Bluetooth devices and repeat the pairing flow. This often clears handshake issues. For persistent latency or dropouts, update your Bluetooth adapter drivers, move the adapter to a USB 2.0/3, 0 port closer to the controller, or use a USB-C cable for a wired connection. One key troubleshooting tip: interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.